It's kind of obvious. You're not really fooling anyone with this nonsense. Dear United States government, your little drone trick is not working. Nobody is falling for it. Nobody is panicking over it. I know that the election just happened and the deep state is very furious, but guess what? It's not happening. You can't pull the wool over the American people's eyes this time. You can't fly a bunch of drones, say that, oh, well, we don't know what they are, but they don't seem to pose any threat. Well, even though we have no idea what they are. You can't pull that and expect normal people to be that stupid. Of course, normal people know that if it's floating around with the normal beacon, the light configuration that's required by law, it's kind of obvious. You're not really fooling anyone with this nonsense. We don't know what they are, but it doesn't really matter. We know that you know what they are. We know that you don't want to tell us what they are. And we know that if they're up there, it's either for a clandestine military purpose that you just don't want to tell anyone, or it's to scare the crap out of people because Donald Trump just got elected. And what better way to screw with Trump than to scare a bunch of people? And oh, isn't it convenient that immediately after scaring a bunch of people, in the government at least, although the normal people are just like, yeah, we know they're screwing around, but you've got all these government people who, oh no, we have to do something. Let's pass a law because that ever solved anything. And that totally didn't backfire or make things worse for the average American. No, we need to be able to regulate these drones harder, Daddy. Funny how suddenly it's like, oh no, there's these lights in the sky. We need to grab more power. We need to regulate flying things more. We need to be able to do things to drones. We need to clamp down on drones. Can't have normal Americans being able to access drones the way that we do. No, come on. You're doing something screwy. We know you're doing something screwy. We see right through it. You're not fooling anyone. Stop insulting the average American's intelligence with your bullshit. Thank you. 100 drones to hide 1,000 pardons, enabled by 2,000 mules.